Welcome back to the 540 Maintenance web series. In part 1, the TGI team talked about the solution and the benefit of an integration with our software, MirRT. In part 2, Jamie and Noah are telling us what makes TGI different than other trailer tracking solutions. Hope you enjoy! So, what makes TGI different from other companies?
We have two sides of differentiators. The first part of it is related to the hardware. The second part is related to our web portal and how we present the data to our customers. Mm-hmm. So our hardware here is fairly small. So this is my cell phone. That's relatively same size as my cell phone. It seems even smaller, which makes it very easy to install. It can fit on any type of assets, equipment, including trailers, tankers, dollies even. Very easy to install. Takes 3 to 5 minutes because there's no wiring whatsoever. So you don't need to worry about source of power. It's always charging from the solar battery. And it's fully cell light. And this is one of our biggest differentiator, which is no dependency on cell towers for any part of the communication. So this provides constant visibility, regardless of where the trailers are parked, regardless of where they're going, crossing provinces, crossing borders, it doesn't matter. It will always have visibility. Intrinsical safety is a big thing as well. This device has the highest intrinsical safety globally, which makes it safe to for like oil and gas companies or any hazmat hauling, because they worry about anything interfering with the load. Our device does not. So that's in terms of the device itself. Yeah. But then the data. So it provides you data through the satellite network in the sky. We use low Earth orbiting satellites. There's about 30 some satellites, which means that doesn't matter. The installation of the unit can be on the side, on the nose of the trailer, on the top of the trailer. Okay. It will almost all the time get 3 satellites or more to provide information, which is very accurate in terms of location.
Yeah. Amazing.
Now, our other part of our differentiation is through the reporting. We don't give our customers dots on a map, which is trailer location. We do that, but we take it a step further. Okay. What does this mean for your business? So let us tell you, automate your yard check and save you a lot of time and money. Let us show you the dwelling of your assets and then provide indisputable reports about which customers holding your trailers for how long, how much you can charge them beyond the grace period. Your utilization, are you using your assets or not? Reporting in terms of notifications and alerts if anything happens that you want to be alerted, like trailer goes out of a geofence area when it's not supposed to, alert me. So our differentiation here is in the data we provide and how it's just so simple for customers to ask questions and take business decisions and optimize their operation.
I'll add a couple things. The device wakes up at a predefined time early in the morning and says, where is the asset? So the customer will give us a time in the morning when they want to know where every single trailer or every single asset is, be it 6 in the morning. So it'll wake up and it'll look for it and find the asset. So as soon as a dispatcher gets into the office, they'll have all that information at their fingertips. Also, while in motion, one of the differentiators is it's providing a 10-minute update every 10 minutes. Here I am, as the trailer is moving down the road. So it is, and again, using the satellite network. So there are no dead coverage. It's truly ubiquitous coverage across North America, anywhere in North America. That is a big differentiator. Lastly, from a reporting standpoint, and Noha mentioned the back end, this is all we do at TGI. We're not a lot of our competitors are in the trailer and tracking space, but they're also in the ELD space. They're in the video space. They're in a lot of different verticals where we're not. We are 100% focused in on trailer and asset tracking, and that is a big differentiator for us.
So is there something else you would like to share, something specific about TGI, something else that you do?
Absolutely. One of the things we feel we're very similar to Datadis in that we're all about data and being open and having multiple different partners through integrations. So we have integrations to multiple different ELD providers, telematics providers, in-cab. We have integrations to many back office software providers, dispatch providers, back office, as well as the visibility players that are out there. We have integration through an open API. So we really believe that the openness of our data will help grow our business, but more importantly, strengthen our relationship through partnerships. One additional point is TGI is the largest trailer tracking company in Canada. So we have the most customers, the most assets on the road that we are actually helping our customers know where they are, what they're doing, and getting a true ROI out of using the solution. We are growing our business, and we are growing through the addition of people, through partners, and through a network of industry connections that Noha's point earlier is trailer tracking was always looked upon as expensive because there's 2-to-1, 3-to-1, some cases 5-to-1 assets to power units. So it traditionally was. And it was traditionally expensive to go over the satellite network, but it has completely come down. The technology has gotten better and better and better. The costs have gotten more reasonable. So now for a fraction of what it cost 5 years ago, you now can track your asset anywhere in North America over the satellite network. So it's not cost prohibitive anymore. In fact, it's why aren't you doing it instead of why are you worrying about cost? Because the ROI the typical payback is anywhere from 2 to 3 months for the majority of our customers. Some are even a lot quicker because they lose one trailer or can't find that one trailer or miss a load. Then they are out of a specific amount of dollars that can pay for the system for years. The other point that I'd like to bring up is one of the differentiators that we failed to mention is that we back the product and back the service. We are so convinced that this is a service that can help many fleets that we'll put our money where our mouth is. And if it isn't working, we'll give you your money back in some cases.
Wow.
The other part of that equation is we know the equipment is rock solid. We have less than a 1% out of the box failure rate, which is pretty outstanding when you come to technology. And the reason for that is we have we not only is it tested when it leaves the manufacturer site and it gets to our location, we pull every unit out of the box, test it again, put it outside, repower it, bring it in, test it again, and ship it. So we know that the units work when they get to the customer's location. So that's big. And if they don't, we have a full 5-year warranty. No questions asked, return the product to us and you'll get a new piece of equipment. So again, we truly believe in not only the hardware, but the service, the back-end service.
100%. So if someone is using your product, so you mentioned you can simply just stick it to the trailer. We live in Canada. A lot of snow, a lot of cold, ice. How resistant is the device?
It's very highly resistant. It works in extreme temperatures, so from negative 45 degrees Celsius to all the way to 80 degrees Celsius.
Wow.
We have customers that bake their trailers while our units are on them, and it comes out and continues working.
Wow, that's crazy.
Exactly. One of the reasons why we are doing great in Canada is because of the extreme weather conditions as well. You want to, in general, cold weather drains any battery for any device. Not with ours. It works great in cold environment, and that's why we're doing so well in Canada. And it charges as well, even on gray days, even on ambient light.
Even with snow on it? Or?
Even with snow on it, completely fine. It's tested under snow. And we work in general with our customers for the best locations to install the units. Our units work great in general from BC to all through Canada. We have some units in Alaska. We have some units in Saudi Arabia. So extreme weather conditions.
Is there any future development for TGI?
Yes, there is. So where we are today, the device that Noha showed you also has Bluetooth capabilities. So we have a line of sensors. So sensors that can give you door open, door close, for example. When the door opens, the door closes, so you'll know that when the trailer's stopped. And plus, if the door opens and closes, temperature sensing is right around the corner too. So we're testing temperature sensing in different compartments, sending it over satellite. So you're never in out of coverage, and it's able to pull the temperatures from the different zones of a trailer and send that back. Alerts. We're also talking about positive trailer ID. So when a truck backs into a trailer, and sometimes, and believe it or not, it happens quite frequently, a driver will pick up the wrong trailer. He's supposed to pick up 0011 and picks up 0101. And they don't know until it's too far down the road, or sometimes even at the destination where they're going, that they've picked up the wrong trailer. So that is really important. So there are three things that are right around the corner for TGI.
So guys, we've unfortunately reached the end of this web series. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for coming to do this with us. So last words, if I have tons of trailers and I'm interested in trailer tracking, where can I reach you guys?
If you have tons of trailers, that's fantastic. You can reach us at TGI-Connect.com.
Great.
Our LinkedIn presence at TGI-Connect. We're really trying to grow our social media platform. So call Noha, call myself.
We'd be happy to answer any questions. Absolutely.
Perfect.
Yeah, it was wonderful to spend the afternoon with you.
Yeah, same here.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much for coming here and talk with us.
Yes, this was great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, you guys.